lovelies, how are you today? On this week's tutorial, I'm going to be working in Cricutdesignspace. So what we're going to do is create the layered Varsity font that we did last week in SilhouetteStudio. So we go over to the text tool and we're going to type an S. And the font that I'm using is the freshman font. And I got this from thefont.com, I believe. So I'm going to change that color to red. And then I'm going to create an offset. And I changed it to 10 because I don't want it to be too big. But, you know, the preference is up to you. So I apply that. And then I'm going to create another offset at 10 and apply that. And we're going to change that one to purple just so I can see what's going on. So I'm gonna move the red layer out the way, move the black layer out the way. And as you see, you have 3 individual letters. And if you wanted to do something with glitter heat transfer vinyl, we know that we can't layer glitter heat transfer vinyl. Or if you just don't like layering vinyl on top of vinyl, we create that offset and we're going to cut out the inner part so that each piece will fit inside of it. So what I'm going to do is take that middle layer and duplicate it, right? And I'm going to put that on top of the purple. All righty, let me go up here, move this out the way. All righty, let me go up here and align this. Center. Okay. So let's go work with the first layer. Let me make sure that this is aligned. And all we have to do is slice it. Okay. We take the red part because we need that. All right. We take the inner part of the S and delete it. And then we're going to take the red S and put it back inside of that. Then we're going to come over here to our third layer. We're going to highlight that, and then we're going to slice that. Now, I couldn't slice it all in Cricutdesignspace because, you know, with the slicing tool, you can only have 2 layers. So I'm going to move that black out of the way because we don't need that. Move the inner purple out of the way, delete it because we don't need that. And then we're going to put this back there, highlight it, and align it. Now you have 3 different layers, 3 different colors. And to me, this is easier to layer because the vinyl is not sitting on top of each other. You have your solid piece that will go on top. That's your back piece. That's your top piece. And this is your middle piece. So it fits in like a puzzle. So this is how I would like to layer stuff. To me, this is a little easier as opposed to laying your vinyl on top of each other. And that's basically it. You have your 3 layers and you can use whatever type of HTV you choose because you don't have to worry about, well, can this lay on top of this? And when I wash it, will it come off and stuff like that? Don't have to worry about it because they're not laying on top of each other. All righty, I will stop sharing my screen because that does it for this week's tutorial. I will talk to you later. Bye.